Hi everyone, my name is Kajal and I welcome you to the video of multi-threading series. We have created this class. We want to create a new thread except main thread, which is the default thread. There are two ways to create or to start the thread. The first one that we are going to discuss is the runnable one. Right now we have created a new class by the name called thread demo. You can say implements runnable. You already have seen this runnable, which is a functional interface. If you have not watched the previous video where I have explained the internal things about the thread class and how thread class is connected with runnable, then you can check out the video link that is coming onto the top right corner of this video. I'll just implement one method, which is run method, right? And in this run method, I can provide anything which I want to run in a multi-threaded program. Let's say I want to print my own name, Kajal Galotra, with some thread except main. I want to see what exactly is the thread which is printing my name. I'll say thread dot current thread. This current thread will be showing me what current thread is here. I'll go back into my main, and here in my main I'll try to create an object of thread. I'll say thread equals to new thread, and then I can pass an object of runnable. If you remember, I told you that whenever you want to create an object of thread, you have multiple constructors. There is one constructor which can take runnable in it. If this thread class is dependent upon runnable, so I'll have to create an object of runnable first. Thread demo equals to new thread demo. Because this thread demo is a class, I can create an object of it and which is implementing runnable. I'll just pass this thread demo inside this new thread because I want to pass the runnable, right? Now, if this will call this target and thread dot start because I want to start it. The start will be going inside this start method, and here it is checking the thread status. This thread status means it is basically it's integer type of instance level variable present in this class, and the thread status changes whenever the threads get started. The thread status is different. Whenever it comes to some another state, the thread status changes. So it checks whether the thread status is 0 or not. So you can see this, a 0 status value corresponds to new. If the thread is not new, it will just throw an exception. Otherwise, it will just add this thread to the current group, and then it will call this start 0. This start 0 is a native, so that means operating system communication will be going on with JVM in order to start it or not. Then this start 0 will internally call this run method. So you don't have to explicitly call this run method. This run method will get called. Do we have this target right now? Target is runnable. So I'll show you this again. Whenever you are creating an object of thread with this target, you can see the target is not null. By default, target.run method will get called. This is my target, and its run method will get called internally. You don't have to explicitly call it. If I'll write down the steps that we have followed, first of all, we created a class which implemented runnable. That's the first step, run method. I have provided the body of whatever task I wanted to get executed in the multi-threaded program. Third step was I created an object of thread with runnable in it. What is the fourth step? I started the thread, and that's it, right? If I'll try to execute this main, this is for the available courses, and then after this, once the thread has been started, you can see my name is getting printed with some another thread. What is this? From where this is getting printed? If you know from where this is getting printed, you can comment down in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching.